All right, everybody. Let's walk through the directions here for the assignment 13, editing a Google Slides template. And right here, we've got our cluster of doom, which I call it, with all the Google apps. It's great to learn them all. I'll tell you, if you can get familiar with all these, it really raises the stock of your resume and the opportunities that can really open up for your future. So we're going to work with an interactive tool here called Slides, okay? Let's go ahead and click Slides. Okay, so we've opened up the slides, and we're going to want to adjust and edit a Google Slides template. So I'm going to go down here and click create a new presentation, right? And it opens up a blank presentation, right? You could always name this. You just click in there to name it. But what I want to do is I want to adjust the photo album or the portfolio template. So let's go ahead and find those. And you can do that by going, if you don't see them already in your choices, go File, New, and the sub should be From Template, okay? File, New, From Template. And once you click that, that's where you'll have your choice for your photo album, I call it gallery, photo album or portfolio, okay? So just for the heck of it, I think I'm going to choose, I don't know, portfolio. Maybe I'll use them both. Let's go ahead and choose that. Let's just open it up. Okay, so what's the challenge of our assignment is to put your name in there, right? Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do this real quick here for you. Mr. Mac and Digital Experience Designer. I like that. I like that word. I like that title. We'll just leave that for there. So from there, we're going to have to just replace this text. Okay. About me, I'm passionate about creating products. You can change the text on that a little bit. Gosh, it almost hits right on the bat, doesn't it? That template. Now we can go down here. You can put in some things that you like a little bit different. User experience, physical computing, coding. Maybe you don't like those things. Okay. So here's some portfolio examples. We can change the text around. What we'd want to do is replace that by right-clicking that photo graphic, and I'm going to click down here, replace image, and I'm just going to go up here to replace image, and I'm going to grab one from maybe this photo instead of uploading from my computer. I'm just going to grab anything there and kind of put it in there. I'll choose that one and then click replace. You notice how it fits it right in there? Now I'm going to click that graphic just so we practice it here. Replacing graphics. A lot of the same steps are in all the different interactive multimedia assembly tools, right? I highlighted the graphic. I went to replace image, and then I'm just going to, right, I'll do it again. Right click, replace image, right click, replace image. I'm just going to photos for this one, and I'm just going to pick out another photo. There's a dog I have here, one of my dogs, and click replace. Alrighty. So those are the steps to replace photos. So you could really have some fun with this if you chose the photo album, which is a little bit would be a little bit more fun. You highlight a graphic, you come down and replace it. Come on, Mr. Mac. Photos. And I'm just going to choose another photo. Here's me about 50 years ago, my wife and I don't know how that photo got in there, but so if you adjust it, you can see I double clicked it. I could actually move it down a little, couldn't I? So you can replace it with any photo you want. So the assignment is to replace the text on each slide and replace the photos, right? And then you'd put your name on it. Mr. Mac, assignment, I think 13, right? Hit enter. Now, when I click File and I click Publish to the Web, and I click Publish, and I click OK, there's the link that I have to post to the discussion board forum. And then I'm done. I get the full credit. If you've replaced all the text and you've replaced all the photos on these small little Google Slides templates, you're going to get an A okay? But it's really a good practice. It's just over and over. The more and more you get used to cropping, replacing graphics, photos. Remember, all these little tools like Google Slides and these other stuff like Wix and other things can be utilized when you're dispensing videos for clients, putting up mock examples of what you might want to show them, so you can, they call it really a mock-up, and just a great fast tool to get your clients excited about getting a project started with you. So that link right there, of course, what would I do? I'd copy it, right click it, or Control C, and then I'd paste it into the discussion forum. Okay? We will get into this possibly next set of assignments where you'll be pasting some embed code, which we talked about earlier in the lecture. So I just want to let you know what I did was, I'm just going to come up here and go hit the yellow button here. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to create something new, a new presentation, right? All right. And that was File, New, and from Template. Right? If I chose Photo Album, all I have to do is just change this text, double click it, right? Mr. Mac, MDIA 1500, right? Change the text, change the photos, right? These are going to be a little more challenging because look at how long they are, right? I'll highlight it, I'll go replace image. It's going to be a little strange trying to find a photo that's kind of, it's got that linear, I'll try this one, but it's just not going to be long enough, right? Is it? There's one. So you'll go through those, and that's the steps of replacing the photos, replace the text. There's only 10 slides. Okay, just replace these photos. Try to have a theme if you want, but it's really just the process of getting into the habit of how to do that, where those tools are, adjusting, cropping, and you can, if you want to go a little more advanced, you can adjust the theme, insert a video if you'd like. There's just a lot of cool stuff that you could really utilize Google Slides for. And remember, because that file published to the web is just amazing how fast. I mean, you can do something like that. I mean, if you publish that, you've got a link that's just ready to go. I mean, you can right click it. Let's just go to that link and see what happens. Look, within two clicks, I've got a website. It will take you way through it, right? So you can create somebody a quick mock-up of an example of work you can do for them with photography, graphics, animation, video, even audio examples. Use this as the vehicle. It's Google Slides. You've got your assignment, okay? Change the text, change the photos for either one, the portfolio or the photo album, and you'll be set. Paste that link up. Thanks again. This is Mr. Mac out. Call me or email me anytime you have questions. Thanks so much.